Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to pay on AliExpress with debit card. So when you added items that you want to order to your cart, you can finally go to checkout, and you need to check your delivery address. You have to make sure that it's correct, because if it's not correct, then you will simply not receive your item. Okay, so now let's go to payment method section, and you want to select add new card button. Now you want to enter card number, cardholder name, expiration date, and also CVV code. And after you entered everything, and also one thing that you can see here, list of cards that AliExpress supports. So when you entered everything, you can save and confirm it, and process the payment by pressing Pay Now button at the bottom. AliExpress will keep your money safe until you confirm that you have received your item, so the seller only gets paid once you're satisfied with your item. So that's pretty simple. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.